Hello everybody, welcome back to our video. So, some of you may have remembered, this video I released a while ago. Where is it? Where is the video? Hello, video. It's not all the way down here, is it? No, I don't think it was. There's so many random videos on my channel. Where is it? I was just watching it. Oh, here it is. So some of you may have remembered this video. So you may notice that it sounds like Speechify at the beginning. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So I'm using available here in ScanSoft.com. So if I go ahead and open up available, okay, here we go. What now? There. So a lot of you may know that if you go ahead and type in
the National Weather Service in.
You may notice that this doesn't sound right. So if we put an M before that,
the National Weather Service in.
Then if we record it into Audacity, we can cut out the M, apply a fade-in effect, and this will effectively
the National Weather Service in.
actually make a Speechify sound effect.
the National Weather Service in.
So
the national
alright, let's cut it out right there, and we'll do a fade-in effect. And then
the National Weather Service in.
there we go.
The National Weather Service in.
And if you're wondering how to do my radio effect, do high pass filter,
the national
low pass filter,
the national
high pass filter, low pass filter,
the National Weather Service.
and at that point it sounds like that. So then I go to graphic EQ, manage factory presets, 100 Hz rumble, and after I do that, I go to graphic EQ again, and then I go to factory resets, and I put in AM radio, and then do that.
The National Weather.
And then I apply a little bit of distortion.
The National Weather.
Sometimes it takes a bit.
The National Weather Service in. The National Weather.
Maybe if I use a compressor effect.
The National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in.
You know, it made it sound more realistic,
The National Weather Service Center.
but didn't help the, this, maybe we try hypothesize.
The National Weather Service Center. The National Weather Service Center.
There we go. So that's pretty much how I did my radio effects. I did a bit of tweaking here, but
The National Weather Service Center.
it pretty much sounds like it's coming over a radio now, so if we add new on the track and then generate some noise.
The National Weather Service Center. The National Weather Service Center. The National Weather. The National Weather.
And then I apply a,
The National Weather Service Center. The National.
and then I quiet down the,
The National Weather Service Center. The National Weather Service Center.
there, you know, you can add your buzzing effect. I don't have one, but I'm going to work on one soon. But that's pretty much how you make, ScanSoft